So if you've been learning your language for more than a couple of weeks, you're probably basically familiar with how to express possession, like possessive pronouns, in your target language. But there are other ways to express possession in any language. Let's say, for example, that I am recording on my phone. Like, okay, that's clear enough. My phone, I'm using the possessive pronoun. It gets the point across that this is my phone. But what if I want to say the house of my mother? I'm clearly showing that it is my mother's house, but I'm expressing it in a different manner, probably for a different context, in a different nuance. For whatever reason, I want to express that it is the house of my mother. That method, that means of expressing possession, that's called the genitive. Genitive, however you want to pronounce it. That's what you're looking for. You could look up like possessives and expressing possession in your target language, but if you want to specifically figure out how to say the house of my mother, the car of my father, whatever you want to express there, then you're looking for the genitive. In some languages, that has a whole separate grammatical case. I have a video on that too, which means you might need to decline. You may need to make other changes, but whatever you need in your target language, if you want to express that, you're looking for the genitive. I hope that made sense. I hope it helps having a term to put to these things. I hope you found that clear and helpful. I hope it's nice having a term to put to these things. Let me know if you have a question in the comments below. You can find stuff about this and much more in the books that I write on Amazon. Like this if you liked it, follow for more, and I hope I will see you in the next one.